A passenger is not cooperating with my flight attendants. I have found this girl with the two ponytails, just trouble one that I have seen her before was a police officer, but she was a passenger now. Is not cooperating with my flight attendants. Ma'am, I need you to bring your seat upright, please. I have the freedom to do whatever I want. Can you please buckle your seatbelt? It's for safety reasons. I said no, go away. My last warning. Can you please buckle your seatbelt one more time? For the last time, I am not listening to you and I'm going to inform your parents. Don't inform my parents. They will not know about this. Ma'am, I'm forcing you to sit upright already. I'm telling your parents. I'm going to buckle your seatbelt. Oi! This is not acceptable. Where is she going? Oi! Well, someone tell me what is going on. Flight attendants, arrest them. Someone do something. This is going to go viral. This is not okay. Sir, release me. No. Why are you following me? This airline's interesting. Flight attendants arrested. You cannot do this to me. Please. Of course I can. Someone do something. This is going to go viral. This airline's interesting. What is going on? This is crazy. You're making them cause a spread rumors. I know the truth. You're the lizard person. My name is not a lizard person. Ma'am, I need you to stop calling me a lizard person. Flight attendants, arrest them. Wow. Wow. Yeah. What is this airline interesting? What is going on? Making the passenger gone crazy. Oh dear, the baby crying. Someone do something. You cannot do this to me. You're making the baby crying already. Stay away from me. Never. Okay. Ma'am, I need you to sit back down to the business class seat. I'm gonna duct tape you already. I can't wait to see you for this. You're not going to get away with this. It seems like I'm not gonna fast forward again because I still can hear passengers shouting. My dad is David Bazooka. You can't treat me like this. This is ridiculous. Hello? Your dad and your mom are going to divorce. I'm going to inform your parents to punish you. You did not do it well. How dare you? Really? I'm going to have you arrested, then you got punishment. This is unacceptable. I want to talk to your manager or your parents. Hello? Anyone here? My dad is David Bazooka. You cannot treat me like this. Hey, you can't do this. I'm going to betray your parents and your family. Your mom and dad is going to break each other up. You can no longer stay with your parents. Or you say my parents already, you'll be in big trouble. Really? Of course. Don't talk about my parents and my family. This is unacceptable. I want to inform to your parents or manager. I'm going to punish you for this. Your parents is grounding you. This is ridiculous. I am so going to get you fired, then you pay fine. You are going to jail for this. My dad is David Bazooka. You cannot treat me like this. Really? You're not going to get away with this. This is ridiculous. Oh, there's a twin sister here. This is unacceptable. I want to talk to your parents. I am so going to get you fired. I can't wait to sue you for this. I'm going to have you arrested. Hey, you can't do this. Okay, she seems like she's in trouble. She keep on talking to my parents, want to break up with each other. This is not very good. I need someone to open the door. Look like a boy. Yeah, police. Yeah, marching now. Yep, marching in. Oh, smiley and fierce. Police, you are going to come with us to the station. It's not me, it's him. To the arrivals, okay. Okay, escort already. We will see what happens next. Passenger is not cooperating with my flight attendants, which is the upper deck. Sir is not cooperating yet, but he stole tray tables already. Sir, I need you to bring your seat upright. It's for the safety reasons. You might be injure your head. I'm comfortable like this. Bother someone else. I need you to buckle your seatbelt. Can you please buckle your seatbelt or not? It's for safety. If it's the plane landing already, you will be jumped over and you will die one. I said no. I'm comfortable like this. Bother somewhere else, please. Last warning, sir. I will not going to bother somewhere else. I'm bothering you now. Bring your seat upright. Blah 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 blah. I am not going to talk to you. That's it. Sir, I need you to buckle your seatbelt. You and your mom and dad are not going to talk to you. Talking to my parents, you're in big trouble. Big trouble. Bring your seat upright, please. Please. Police. Stay away from me. Sorry, I have to catch you. I need you to stop walking around the cabin. Stop running around the cabin. Wow. Flight attendants, arrest them. What is going on? Eh? No one sitting here. Oh. Wait. This is crazy. Flight attendants, arrest them. This is going to go viral. Flight attendants, arrest them. What? What is going on? Someone do something. This is crazy. This airline is interesting. Will someone tell me what is going on? This is not okay. This airline is interesting. What is going on? What is your problem? Well, someone tell me what is your problem? What is going on? Do you know who my father is? I do not know your dad very well. Hey, what is your problem? This is going to go viral. What is going on? Flight attendants arrest them. This is crazy. Oi. Oi. Alright. Why following me? This is going to go viral. Alright, sir, what is your problem? What is your problem, man? It's not me, lah. This is not okay. I'm not tolerating you to run around the cabin. Sir, I need to proceed back to your seat. Duct tape you. This is your fault. It's not my fault. It's your fault, sir. I'm going to have you arrested. Stay right there. Okay, I need to fast forward this video. At the far distance, I cannot hear the passenger very well. So, yeah, I'm gonna fast forward this video. If it's near at the distance, I still can hear passenger, I will not fast forward this video. Alright, okay, so what I need to do now is that I need to fast forward this video straight away. Okay, we're at the destination. We were not able to see the police officer right there because it's the far distance in the jumper seat. At the diagonal here is the boy police, male police here. Well, we need to check what happened to the boy. It seems like he keep on talking about my family thing and other thing else. Oh dear. Let me give baby a pacifier first. The baby is crying because of the passenger keep on shouting. Hey, keyboard. Oh shh. Okay, we need to check what happened today. Can we go please wait until I tell you to do so. You can't do this. My dad is David Bazooka. You can't treat me like this. This is not acceptable. I want to speak to your manager or your parents about this. I'm going to have you arrested because it's your fault. It seems like he's not interested in this airline way the most. You keep on talking negative comment about my family thing. Okay, tell you to do so now. No need, no egg or grind, yeah. And a serious happy face, yeah. Left hand aisle here, right hand aisle. Police, you're under arrest. Please exit. It's not me, it's him. Release me. He got arrested behind already, yeah. Executed is also known as escorted out. Like be able to disembark already for this. Follow him how he does. Okay, executed already. Let's go back to the aircraft. We're not going out there to the where we're heading to yet. So this is what I just found it. We are going to back to Roblox. Yeah. We will see what happens next.